How to add glow effect. To begin, I added a video to my timeline that I would like to add a glow to it. While holding down the Alt key on your keyboard, drag the clip to track above to create a duplicate from it. Now hide the bottom track. Then go to Effects panel and search for Luma key. Drag and drop Luma key effect into your duplicate clip. With your duplicate clip selected, go to Effect Controls and under Luma key, increase the cutoff so you can see only the parts that you want to glow. Now set the opacity to pin light. Go to Effects panel and search for Gaussian blur. Drag and drop Gaussian blur effect into your duplicate clip. Make sure your bottom clip is visible now. Increase blurriness to around 300. And make sure Repeat Edge Pixels is checked. Go to Effects panel and search for Color Balance. Drag and drop Color Balance HLS effect into your duplicate clip. Now increase the hue and lightness and decrease saturation. You can play around with the values so you get the effect that you like. And press Enter key on your keyboard to render the video. Now we have this nice glow in our subject. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.